Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have a subscription box from 100% Pure. So I already opened up the box, I already took everything out, but I haven't taken a really close look at everything. So this was gifted to me. They have 3 subscription tiers, $35, $65, and $150 a month. They did send me the $150 box, which is actually worth $500 or more. There is a ton of products in here. Everything is 100% Pure brand. So 100% Pure is natural, vegan, cruelty-free, and even gluten-free. They have skincare, body care, and cosmetics or makeup. So I'm just gonna dive right in. And the reason I went ahead and opened up the box and already took everything out was originally there was a bunch of styrofoam peanuts, and I didn't want you guys to get annoyed hearing me rummage through all the styrofoam peanuts. So that's one less annoying noise for you guys to have to worry about. So let's just dive right in, literally. And we've got, we got the 100% Pure. This is the Cocoa Cream Cleanser. Is this a body wash? Rich and creamy face cleanser. It's a face cleanser. Says it has cocoa in it, or cacao. Woo! It is cacao. It smells like chocolate. Oh my God, that smells like chocolate. That smells so good. Okay, so that's a facial cleanser. Super excited. So this is the February box. They do already have the March box spoilers on the website. I'll have the link down below. It is an affiliate link, so if you want to shop through that link, thank you. You help me out, you help out this channel. If you don't want to, just go to the website on its own, that's fine too. They do have the March spoilers, and it looks like the $150 box that is worth $500 is already sold out. Okay, so we got the Cocoa Cream Cleanser. Oh my God, this smells like chocolate. Cannot wait to try that out. All right, so I'm gonna cheat a little bit here because I see I got a couple more cocoa items in here. We got the Cocoa Bean Facial Scrub. If this smells anything like the last one, yikes. Okay, so natural and vegan. And you can see I haven't opened this yet. Still got the little safety seal on there, so I appreciate that. If I can get it up. I can't smell the cocoa in this one, but maybe I will once we add water. But very cool. So does it actually have cocoa bean as its exfoliant? Oh wow. This has like very few ingredients. This only has glycerin. It has the cacao or cocoa extract. And then it has tocopherol, which is vitamin E. Wow, this is pretty cool. Wow, that's as natural, that's as natural can be. It's only got like 3 ingredients. Glycerin, the cocoa extract, and then tocopherol. Wow. And the cocoa is actually an organic ingredient. This is cool, you guys. I'm actually excited about this. They reached out to me a few times, and I don't want to say I ignored them, but I was kind of like, I don't really know who you are. And they were, I guess, because they kept saying they wanted to send me a box that's worth $500, and that just sounded odd for a subscription box, but now I see where they're coming from, and I'm like, okay, no, this is very cool. Okay, I'm glad that, you know, I finally gave them a chance. Okay, so this is the Cocoa Butter Moisture Mask. That sounds nice. Ooh, so we got a cocoa facial coming up in my near future. We got the cleanser, scrub, and a mask. So I just wanted to look at the ingredients again. We got glycerin, we got the cocoa extract, and once again, the tocopherol. Interesting. Let's take a look. Let's see if this one has the cocoa scent or the chocolate scent. I kind of really hope it does, because yeah. Again, I can't smell it, but it might just be that once I squeeze it out, I'll be able to smell it. Okay, so there's that. So that's 3 items so far, and I'm not familiar with this brand, so I haven't worked out how much everything costs yet, so maybe I'll go ahead and put that in the description box down below so we can get some more info. All right, so now we have another cleanser. This is the Rose Water Gel Cleanser. That sounds nice. Plump and Hydrate. Deeply hydrating face cleanser. Employs balancing rose. Oh, the packaging's so simple. It's very cute though. I like it. Rose water gel cleanser. Natural, vegan. Ooh, this looks really lovely. Okay. So I'm looking forward to trying that out. So we got another cleanser. Let's see what else we got. So we got a couple of things in the rose water line. We got the rose water. This is the hydrating milk with hyaluronic acid. So I'm guessing this is a moisturizer. Yes, it's a lightweight facial moisturizer. Sounds nice. Oh, again, very simple, minimalist packaging, but I like it. It's glass, so that it'll keep the natural ingredients longer. That looks really nice. And it does actually look like milk. Okay, cool. And that's, once again, part of the rose water line. And everything is natural, vegan, gluten-free. This also says non-toxic. We like that. It's got PETA approved on the side. All right, there's two more things. We've got the Rose Hyaluronic Acid Serum, also plump and hydrate. So we got a hyaluronic acid serum. And there we go. So cool. So we've already got like two skincare lines to try out. We've got the cocoa, we've got the rose water, and there's still, it looks like one more rose item, I think. This is the rose water face mist. That sounds lovely. Just taking a look at the ingredients. The first main ingredient is aloe vera leaf juice. Ooh, definitely want to try this. This sounds really cool. Yes, you can smell the rose through the bottle. Ooh, I like it. So those of you that like rose, they also say rose is great for headaches. So if you're looking for a natural aromatherapy for headaches, rose scent helps with that. So we've got a couple more items. Oh, here's something from the cocoa line I forgot to pull out. This is a piece of the body care. This is the Cocoa Coffee Body Scrub. You know we have to open this and smell this, right? Okay, let's take a look. Ooh. It does smell like chocolate and coffee. Ooh, I don't want to tilt this too much because it needs to be stirred up. But that happens with natural products, have a tendency to separate. So I don't want to tip that too much and have it spill everywhere. Here you can see some of the texture here. Yummo. Okay. I don't know whether to eat it or scrub my body with it. Oh, got some on my fingers. It smells good. Okay, so that's cool. That's more of the cocoa line. And now we got some scrub on my hands, but it's it's okay. Just wipe it on the box. Okay. Got a couple more items. I got like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 6. Yes, sorry. They're also spread out. It's hard to tell what I'm looking at. Now I don't really know what's what. Okay. This is the Blood Orange Hand Buttercream. Blood Orange Hand Buttercream. So obviously this is a hand cream. And with a name like that, we got to give this a whiff. Let's see what this smells like. I can't really smell it. Like I said, we probably can't smell it till we squeeze it out. So we'll just have to give that a try later. This is the 100% pure Cocoa Pigmented Bronzer. Cocoa Pigmented Bronzer. This is in the shade Cocoa Kissed. Very cute. So let's see what this is. Oh, that's cute packaging. Oh, it's very nicely detailed. I like that everything's so nicely sealed. Because, you know, sometimes with independent brands and natural brands, they can be a little flimsy on the packaging, and this is actually quite nice. Oh, this is really cute. Oh my God, this is adorable. Okay, so we've got this. It's kind of like a metallic, kind of a little metal casing, 100% pure on there, flower detailing. It's kind of like a purple brown. Would you call that not quite a burgundy, like a purple brown packaging. And look how cute that is. Isn't that great packaging? Of course, it's got 100% pure with the leaf embossed on there. And that does look like a nice light bronzer. Ooh, okay. I'm actually excited about that. I'll definitely be trying that out. Let me go ahead and grab this while we're at it, because I'm actually getting ready to purge a bunch of my mascaras. I throw away my mascara every 30 days. So at the time I'm filming this, it's almost the end of February. I believe tomorrow is actually the 28th. So I'll be throwing away all my mascaras that I've used in the past 30 days. I know a lot of you are like, why are you doing that? Everybody's different, but my eyes get really sensitive and itchy and watery and all kinds of issues if I use the same mascara longer than 30 days usually. So this works out perfectly because they sent me a mascara. This sounds cool. This is 100% pure Maracuja oil mascara. It says it's volumizing in black tea. Wow, that sounds really cool. Maracuja is a really moisturizing fruit. Wow. Okay, interesting packaging. Oh, that is interesting packaging. Look at the shape of the tube. That's interesting. Let's go ahead and take a look at the brush since, oh, I didn't even see this had shrink wrap on it. Again, I appreciate that. Very well preserved. They understand that if products are natural, a lot of times they don't have as many preservatives. So you really got to make sure you're shrink wrapping and packaging to really keep the product as long as possible so it doesn't get spoiled before you have a chance to use it or before they have a chance to sell it. All right, shrink wrap. All right. Okay, first off, love the packaging. Okay, and it does say 100% pure on there. Let's go ahead and take a look. Ooh, a nice standard feather brush. Love it. It does smell kind of weird. It smells like, I don't know what. It doesn't smell good, but you know what? Once you put it on your lashes, you're not going to be able to smell it. But definitely a unique scent. I don't think I've ever had a mascara smell quite the way this one does. But it's going to be really conditioning because it's got Maracuja oil, and I'm not sure what the black tea does. Maybe that helps with the coloring. Maybe that's like a natural colorant to get black lashes. Maybe. I'm not sure. All right. So it looks like the rest of the items are makeup items, which is pretty cool. So we got, this is the Fruit Pigmented Blush Powder. Fruit Pigmented Blush Powder. And this one I did steal a glance at the packaging. Oh, look, it's so pretty. It's like the bronzer. It's like how the bronzer has. So this has got the rose gold embossing with 100% pure and what looks like flowers. Oh, that looks really pretty. And does this have shrink wrap on it? Yes, of course it does. Okay, cool. So let's take a look. Once again, oh, that's really pretty. I love that packaging. That's really cool packaging. Okay, so this is the blush. This is the shade Chiffon. This is the shade Chiffon. Oh, this is gorgeous. Okay, so we got the blush, we got the bronzer, we got the mascara that smells kind of funky. But like I said, we don't normally smell our lashes, so it should be fine. Okay, let's go and go with this really quick. We've got the Creamy Long Last Eyeliner, and this is in the shade Blackberry, which looks like it's a traditional black. So we got a pencil eyeliner from 100% pure. This is the shade Blackberry, your classic black. We always need black eyeliner, right? All right, we got two more items, and they're both lip products. I haven't looked at this one yet. This is the Cocoa Butter Matte Lipstick from 100% pure. This is in the shade Wine Cup. Sounds like it'll be right up my alley. Wine Cup. Let's see. Seems like such a small, okay. A slightly minimalist packaging, which makes sense. They probably want to keep, well, I don't know. They have some pretty cool packaging. They're just doing something different. Okay, there is shrink wrap on here, so bear with me while we pull this off and we will take a look. This looks really cute, by the way. Kind of tiny. Interesting shape, kind of tiny. But look at the bullet. This is quite pretty. It's kind of a, I guess, kind of a metallic taupe. I would call it a metallic taupe, and it's got silver leaves embossed all over it. The shade is called Wine Cup. Let's see what this looks like. Ooh, that looks a lot different than what I expected. This is reading really warm, really neutral. It's leaning brown. I expected it to lean more red, but this looks very cool actually. Looks like a very warm tone, darker neutral. Very interesting. Cool. Well, I'm gonna be playing with all of this because this looks awesome. All right, last item. Whoops, shrink wrap everywhere. Okay, this is called 100% Pure Lip Caramel. This is the fruit pigmented from achiote seeds and cocoa. This is the shade Rum Nougat. Okay, let's see what we got. This is why I always use my tool to open stuff. Hold on, let me dig in my drawer and we'll take care of that. There we go, much better. Oh, well that didn't go quite the way I planned. There we go, my goodness. All right, so this is called the Lip Caramel, so I'm guessing it's like a lip gloss. Ooh, Rum Nougat. Again, with a name like Rum Nougat, this is not the color I expected. I expected something darker, but perception of color is, I think, quite unique to all of us. We all perceive color a little differently than the other, right? But let's not get into that theory or we'll all have headaches. Okay, so this is a very pink leaning nude, also warm toned it looks. Or even neutral toned. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's got that slanted, it's got a slanted lip applicator. It's diamond shaped with the little hole in the middle, so it really picks up all that extra color to deposit it. This smells a little bit like vanilla pudding. It's very subtle. Smells nice, actually. I didn't notice if the lipstick had a scent. Let's take a look. Let's see if the lipstick has a scent. Ooh, I almost got that right on my nose. That would have been awesome. I'm not really noticing much of a scent on the lipstick. Okay, cool. So that is my box from 100% Pure. So, like I said, we got skincare, we got body care, we got makeup. Everything is natural, vegan, cruelty-free, even gluten-free. Some things even go so far as to say non-toxic on the side. We've got cocoa, we've got rose, we've got makeup pigmented with flowers and plants. Pretty cool. I'm actually really impressed with this. So if you guys want to check out 100% Pure, go ahead and check out my link in the description bar. That'll take you right to the site. If you shop through that link, you help me out. Once again, this was the monthly subscription box for February. They have the monthly subscription box spoilers up for their 3 tiers. They've got the $35 box, the $65 box, and the $150 box, which is worth $500. And you get all this goodness. I can't pick them all up. There's too many things. Oops, and something just fell. So this won't be the last you see of this, because I'm actually really looking forward to trying all this. I love discovering new brands. And I love all the packaging and the aesthetic and the scents. Well, not all the scents, because that mascara was smelling not so hot, but I'm looking forward to trying it. All right. Go ahead and like and subscribe. Leave comments down below. I love it when you guys interact with me. And that is it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.